Greetings, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the world of mini PLCs, and I've got a game changer for you. If you're ready to harness the full potential of mini PLCs, stick around because we've got a special treat waiting for you in the description. But first, let's talk about why the mini PLC is creating waves in the tech world. The Mini PLC, or Programmable Logic Controller, is a compact powerhouse revolutionizing automation in various industries. Whether you're into robotics, manufacturing, or home automation, having a solid understanding of mini PLCs can be a game changer. That's why we've crafted a detailed PDF guide to walk you through everything you need to know. Now, here's the exciting part. To get your hands on this invaluable resource, all you need to do is check the description below this video. We've included a direct download link to the Mini PLC guide.